Hello, my name is Luiz Terra from Paulista University, and I will present work circular economy indicators for assessing sustainability in ASEAN, Mercosul, and the European Union. The authors are Biagio Gianetti, Fene Agostinho, and Cecília Almeida. The linear economic model of production using spoils is unsustainable. The circular economy (CE) advocates the need for economic activity and consumption to eliminate waste from the system by principle. Germany and China started to develop policies related to CE. In 2015, the European Commission drew up an action plan to accelerate Europe's transitions to a circular model. Since then, different regions have sought to promote CE as a means of sustainable economic development based on decoupling economic activity from the consumption of financial resources. However, social impacts are hardly mentioned in the literature. Existing tools for monitoring CE at the regional level are inadequate. Literature revision. The current linear economic system increasingly harms the ecosystem. The CE concept indicates a sustainable path towards the current use of resources wide planetary boundaries. Circular economy and sustainable development goals (SDG). A range of research attempts to group to 17 SDG into categories that promote sustainable practices and solutions. C is one of the most promising means to guide the transition needed to achieve the SDGs. Circular economy indicators. CE is a concept under construction. There is still no common standard for checking progress towards sustainability. CE can be considered an essential strategy to improving overall performance towards the three dimensions of sustainability. Appropriate tools for assessing CE at the macro, meso, and micro level are being proposed and discussed. Methods and action strategy. Study area: ASEAN, Mercosul, and European Union, considering economic, social, and environmental indicators between 2000 and 2020, with annual observations. European Union is the most advanced bloc in terms of policies measuring designated for the transition to an CE. ASEAN and Mercosul for comparative purposes, developing countries, emerging economy, huge consumer market, among other factors. To analyze the sustainability of the economic blocks, the conceptual model five sectors of sustainability, five sensu, proposed by Gianetti. The five sensu model identifies supply and demand factors in the environmental, economic, and social dimensions of production system. It used the goal programming philosophy to obtain a sustainable indicator for the general system. Five sensu model. To the left is Sector 1, Environmental Providing Resource, Material, Energy, and Land. Sector 2, Environmental Receiving Residues, Waste and Emission. In the center is Sector 3, né, Production Sector. In the right is Sector 4, Society Providing Resources, Socioeconomic Resources, and Sector 5, Society Receiving Resources, Products. And Table 1, Indicators, Unity, and Database of Collection used in each sectors. Analysis and discussion of research. Goal programming providing simulations based on economic blocks and presenting the best and worst indications for each of them. Figure 2 shows the sustainability performance of each block through the synthetic system indicator of sustainability, with the learner the values to grade the block's sustainability. Preliminary results show that after the imposition of goals in relation to sustainable development and the CE packaging of the European Union, the block show improvement is indicators compared to the alters blocks as of 2011. Figure 2 and European Union, the best of the indicators. Most European countries have developed strategies to comply with the guidelines passed by the European Parliament on the CE principles and objectives. Most Asia countries are economic that puts economic development before the environment and this brings intense environmental destructions into weight. Even with an excess of natural resources, Mercosul still does not have a regional police for CE, and the strategies used to overcome social and environmental problems have not yet had an effect. Conclusions. Model 5 Censo made it possible to simultaneously measure the environmental, economic, and social dimension of ASEAN, Mercosul, and the European Union. This can facilitate decision-making on the implementation of circular policies to improve sustainability and consequently the achievement of SDG targets. The European Union has a superior performance in relation to the other two economic blocks analyzed in terms of CE implementation practices due to policies and financial aimed at supporting social development and sustainability. The multiplicity of metrics present in the five-sense model provides an important vision for policies marketing to seek balanced development across different sectors towards sustainability. The five-sense model pointed out that some objectives need to be translated into coordinated actions between the different interactive sectors. The blocks analyzed have a different scope of regulation related to CE, but the European Union has better explored the need for adequate legal measures to implement circularity strategies. Acknowledgement, CAPES, UNIP, and La Proma. Main reference. Thank you. Bye bye.